Hi, English practitioners. I know you haven't been talking in English at all, and let's do this together. Let's practice some spoken English. Simply repeat after me, right? Let's practice some small and simple phrases. So, repeat after me. Don't worry about it. Say, don't worry about it. Right. I'm not saying do not worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's just don't worry about it. Yeah. Wonderful. Try again. Don't worry about it. Remember, it's not worry, it's worry. Woo sound. Let's try again. Listen carefully. Don't worry about it. Very nice. What are you thinking? Try, repeat. What are you thinking? Listen carefully. What are you? Not what are you thinking? What? No. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Try this. Okay, next one. That sounds good. That sounds good. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. I'm not sure about this. Or I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. Sure, not sure. Many people say sure about. I'm not sure about it. Next one. I totally agree with you. I totally agree. Not don't say I totally agree with you. No, I totally agree with you. Try that. Next one. I understand how you feel. I understand. I understand how you feel. Very nice. Next one. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. Don't say I didn't mean to hurt you. No, it's not didn't to. No, I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. Try again. I didn't mean to hurt you. Very nice. Let's keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.